Has this ever happened to you? Your monomer gets cloudy? So here's my cloudy monomer. Look at that. We don't even know it. All of a sudden we look down and our monomer's cloudy. This is what's going on. We go in there to get our bead. Gather a little bead. We put it on here. Then you go back in. You may not realize it, but look at, see that tiny little bit of product on your brush? It looks innocent enough, but that's what's clouding up your monomer. So you don't even notice, you go back in because you're getting another bead ready, right? You go in, you put your bead on, you get it on there, you're working maybe a little bit wet. That's also what does it. You're working too wet. You go like that, and then you go back in your monomer, but let's turn it over. Look at all that product on there. That's what's causing the problem. So how do you rectify that? What you want to do is make sure that brush has no product in it. Go into your monomer, gather that bead, make sure you have enough time inside that powder to make the correct ratio. You want to place that bead on your tip or your nail, and you want to release. Then turn it over. That was the correct ratio. See, there's hardly anything on that brush. There's a sparkle or two. That's normal, you're working with glitter. Then you can go clean your brush on the towel, right? Just do a little clean. Then you can go in and start to shape and sculpt it with your brush. So to recap, that's what's causing cloudy monomer. Just too much product in your brush. Work on the liquid to powder ratio and you'll have nice clean monomer.